Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be reviewing my Alpinestars Stella missile suit. I originally was going to be wearing a two-piece suit, but I tried this on at a motorcycle dealership that finally had it because the struggle is real for us girls. Nowhere carries women's tracksuits, at least in my area, so I couldn't try anything on, and so that's why I went with a two-piece because it was easier to figure out what size I would be. Finally, I found a place like 2 or 3 days before track day. They had it, I found out what size it was, and I ordered it online. Luckily, they had like 3-day shipping, so I got it the day before I went to the track. So yeah, I'm gonna review it. I'll put it on really quick so you guys can see what it looks like. This is Remington. He has attachment issues. He always has to be nearby me. So first impression of this that I had was, oh my gosh, it actually still makes me look like I have curves like a woman. The two-piece suit I have, it kind of makes me look boxy. But that was the first thing I noticed. I was like, wow, it actually goes with the curves of my body. So even though it's tight, it's not so tight that I can't like function. It's kind of nice because, as you can see back here, we have this whole portion that stretches. But this really gives a lot more space for movement while it still fits correctly. The tuck position, like I said, I wore this tracksuit on my very first track day. You can check out that moto vlog if you want to see the suit like me, like actually on the bike wearing it. Where I squat, so whenever I'm on the bike in the racing position, it was so comfortable. Heat-wise, it wasn't too bad. My track day, we kind of lucked out. It didn't hit 75 degrees until right towards the end of the day. We got lucky and it was like overcast and like upper 60s. I do wear this back protector underneath it. I was a little bit worried about this making the suit even tighter and it being uncomfortable. But honestly, I forgot that I even had this on most of the time. So even with this, I still had lots of mobility. It was perfect. Let's put it on with some boots, and that way you guys can kind of see what it looks like with gloves, boots, and everything. These actually aren't the gloves that I wore to the track. These ones are a little bit too small for me. I just wanted to keep the Alpinestar theme going. I also have on the Stella SMX riding boots. These are my all-time favorite. I have lots of riding boots and shoes, but these are my favorite. They're the most comfortable. Knee pads. No scrapes on them yet, but someday. Practice makes perfect. Alpinestars is really good about still, even though you're wearing like this thick leather suit, still allowing you to look curvy and cute. Yes, I still want to look cute whenever I'm at the track. For any girls that are wondering, hey, you know, like what size suit is it that I'm wearing? And this is a size 40. And this is how it fits me. I am 5'4" and 108 pounds. And this is how it fits me, so just to give you a little bit of a reference. Big thing that I was worried about was the chest, obviously, because that's an issue that I have with a lot of my leather jackets, specifically this one, to where I feel like it's just, oh, I can't zip it. The Alpinestars, the Stella missile suit, I feel like they leave extra amount for that or something, but I don't feel like I'm freaking stuck, pinned down or whatever. Really good for busty women. Overall, honestly, this is probably one of my favorite purchases. So is compatible with the Alpinestars Tech airbag. It is compatible. I don't have it. I just have the back protector. But the point is, you are able to do it. Overall, I would give this suit definitely 10 out of 10. I would recommend this for any female riders because, like I said, you know, you still look good while you're at the track. Overall, just how comfortable it is. You can see me, I'm sitting here super comfortable, just chilling. Let me know in the comments what else you guys would like for me to review. Obviously, you guys see that I have a ton of gear between both me and my husband. I blame my husband. He has a problem with getting gear. You know, if you think about it, it's your safety. You wanna have good gear, right? I'm kind of obsessed with this suit. I love it. I love the way it looks. I love the way it feels. This is also fairly easy to get out of too, out by yourself. I mean, of course you gotta squirm out of it a little bit. So that is my review on the Alpinestars Stella missile suit. Like and subscribe, hit the little bell, that way you get notifications whenever I post. Thank you!